Okay, we are getting our garden done finally, guys. And I meant to film this before the builders arrived. They don't really want to be on camera, fair enough. But I thought I would show you what the garden looks like currently. We are coming out of the end of Storm Dennis, so it is a bit freezing cold and wet and groggy, and the sun is in the way. But yeah, it's an absolute jungle. So I thought I'd share the journey with you. We're going to have a big concrete patio here with some sheds on, and then some grass, and then a patio along here. So this is what the inside of our kitchen looks like at the moment. We had to take everything out of the old shed and basically store it in our kitchen until our new sheds arrive and we can work out what's going to go where. But an update, guys, I cannot believe how much work they've done in the space of 2 hours that I've been on TikTok. They have done so much. Basically, the whole of the back has been dug out. They've put this string down, this string here. So this is going to be a 10-foot wide concrete base to put our massive 2 sheds on. And they've put it all the way along. And it turns out this whole garden, so this area of the garden from here to here is 23 foot, but from here to here is 24 foot. So they've brought the string out extra here, so it's going to be an odd shape, but you won't notice it once the sheds are at the front. Yeah, I'm quite excited. I can't believe how much they've done already. But yeah, so well done, boys. So it is day 2 today. They have just arrived. It's 8 AM and the sand has just arrived. So excited. So the whole of that back is getting sanded. Is it? I think so, yeah. And then the railway sleeper wall is going up. And we shall come back later and have a look what it's like. So it is Friday. It's very early in the morning. I wanted to get out here and film before they arrive. It's looking really great. I'm loving the sleeper beds. So we've got a flower bed that side and a flower bed over there. And then all of this is going to be our patio. And then that middle bit is going to be grass. And then the sheds are going to go on the back. So I still need to paint that fence over the back because we never could really get there. But yeah, so this is day 5, it's Friday, and I think they've got a full day today to get a lot done. So this is at the end of Friday. All the blocks have gone down for the path and the blocks for the sides, and all of the drains have gone down around the outside of the house. If you can see that angle, I can't go out, it's very muddy. So all the drains have gone down the side, and then the patio will lay straight next to that. Okay, excuse the mess on the window. We've had a big storm and haven't washed it yet, but this is day 6. I'm not going to go out there because it is a mud bath and it's freezing cold. So I'm just about to leave for work, but I thought I'd show you the progress. This is day 6, but we have had like a couple of days of really severe rain, and yeah, I'm so excited today. These are the slabs that are going down, and that is the path there. So they are basically grey sandstone slabs, and the grass has gone down. So yeah, it's really coming along. I think the last thing to do now is put the bricks along the edge, all the way around. The bricks are edging the patio, and yeah, the patio goes down today. Pretty much done, and then we're just going to get a new back gate. I've ordered the sheds. Yeah, again, sorry about the window, but once the garden's finished, that will all be washed. So just got home from work. It is Wednesday and I think it's pretty much finished. So gorgeous, ain't it lovely? Yeah, I think he's got to come back tomorrow and just finish off all the pointing in the patio, and then yeah, they're done. Well guys, that is it. The garden is finished. I'm just about to go out and show you the finished garden, and we have our sheds. So I'm going to quickly show you my shed. They're both the same, but yeah, let's go. Everything from the old shed was in here, and I'm so glad it's out now and the sun is shining. I know the world is in crisis right now, but it's a lovely day. Very windy, so right, this is This is the finished garden. I absolutely love it. We got a little storage box for all the rubbish bits. And here are our sheds. How cool are those? This one is mine and this one is Tim's. I was advised not to put anything in here until I've kitted it out, but honestly I needed this out of the kitchen since we went into, since we both finished work. Obviously a lot of you guys will have also, you're all experiencing it, you know what we're going through, and I needed it out of the kitchen ASAP. So as soon as the sheds were up, I brought everything I have in. I've got my scroll saw and my chop saw over there. I've got, everything is in here. But yeah, this is my shed and this is where the lathe is going to go. I've got a wood delivery, all being well, fingers crossed, big fingers crossed. If we don't go into complete lockdown and stores close, I don't know, nobody knows, but I've got a delivery on Tuesday coming from Wix's where I'm gonna build my workbench, or along here, not entirely sure where the bench is gonna go. I might have two because I've got quite big bulky tools. But yeah guys, this is my shed. So excited. We've got 3 windows on each shed and we got them so that we could open them all, and that you could choose that from the company. We used a company in Essex called Car Garden Buildings. They were so amazing, and you can pick and choose your windows. You can have them fully sealed or openable. So we got all 3 windows openable. Yeah, it is a pent. It is a 10 foot by 8. So this is 8, this is 10. And it smells absolutely amazing in here. They've sealed all the edges so no little creepy crawlies can get in. This is it guys. So my lathe is still under the stairs in its box and that won't come out until I have built everything. Turn around. There's the house back there. Just about see it. And yeah, I'm absolutely loving it. Cannot wait to get started. That's it guys, the garden is done. It has been a long time coming. We've been here 4 years, but super happy with it. I've got 2 my cordyline grasses that I've got. They're inside waiting to be planted. I need to clean all along there, and that's it. So keep watching, watch this post, all that jazz, and I'll see you soon.